然后我们就直接就开始整机器，因为这个装的话装蛮久，然后。
Oh, okay. Hi everyone, welcome to Creality live stream. Good morning.
Okay, firstly we're gonna check our voice and video quality. See if any of you can hear us clearly or not.
Welcome.
All right. So we are still waiting for people coming, and we have some internet delay so far.
Yes.
Well,
let's see
we will spend
our
like,
new friend.
New friend.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna spend 1 minute for the time delay and for the people coming.
Well, let's see some comments.
First here. Okay.
Wow, Korean language. Love Creality. Thank you.
안녕하세요.
Another printer. Yes, our new series.
Yes. This is Creality
cool.
Sermoon D1.
Sermoon.
Yeah, I even don't know what sermon means. Sermon. Okay. Anyway, so welcome to our live stream, and we will get started soon.
Hello, okay, I'm buying that already. Wow.
You're fine. Okay, that's nice.
Hi, our old friend.
So in today's live stream, we will do a assembling of this new printer, and we will run some tests on it. So if you have any questions regarding this printer, just go ahead and ask. Since the time right now is morning in China and evening in North America. So what time in UK? I think it's afternoon.
Yeah.
Sleeping time.
Yeah, sleeping time.
Okay, so it's midnight in Europe.
Good morning from Canada.
From Canada. Okay, nice.
Wow, the question is coming.
Okay, so we will talk about the product information during the assembling period. Well, shall we start? Okay, I think so. Okay, let's finish all the comments first.
The question is coming. Build print size.
Okay, so we will show you guys the hot bed soon.
Hi, Mr. O. Yes, we can. Hi. Hello from Chicago, US.
Okay.
Hola, Spanish.
Yes. So we got this mission for no like preview. Well, we just get it and we do the live stream.
Yeah, okay. We can't waiting to share you this new product.
Yeah, this new printer just arrived this morning, and we are asked to do this live stream as soon as possible. That's why we are here at 10 o'clock.
Hi everyone. What is that? Looks well.
Okay, you can see it's it's here. Creality Sermoon D1. It's a new type of printer, and hopefully it can surprise you.
Hi from Canada. Can I have it?
Okay, hello everyone from everywhere. Okay. All right, we will start our open box and assembly. We invite our special guest, our technician, Mr. Wu. Okay, now I will just give this box to him and let him, and I will just do assistant with him, so help him to do the assembling. And let's start.
Yes, it looks too big.
Okay,
too heavy.
Yes, it's a huge machine. I mean, the machine size is large. Well, its printing size is quite not that large. I bring my ruler here. Well, we can just have a overall look. So
your ruler is printed by 030?
Yes, this is 3D printed ruler. This is 1 meter ruler. As you can see, I have the scale like 1 to 9 in the middle here. So the package size is about less than 600 millimeter. Well, it's over half meter for the length and the width. Okay, so it's kind of like a square. For the height, the printer is about 400 millimeter. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, here I will bring you to the center of the camera. Okay, you want me to do it? Okay, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Open box is a very important, part of the whole process.
My first time.
Yes. Just to feel the opening feeling. Okay, just be careful. Well, okay. Open up. So the printer is well protected. You can see well, we have the form on the top. 不用换，太大了，
不用换，
你看不见。啥看不见。Now, first layer go off, and secondly, we have the I don't know. I think this is the door. Okay, we have two doors on top. So these are the accessory parts, so they can be taken out easily. We have to assemble everything later. So leave it aside. Well, next one, we get. Wait, 不用，可以举起来，太晃了。Okay, so this is all the covers for the side of the printer. It is transparent. Just the white color is the protector film. Okay, next. One more cover. Okay, we have a runout sensor mounted here. Well, which is different from the other 3D printers. The extrusion is upgraded to the different shape, and it is stronger and much beautiful.
Yes, very smooth.
Okay, we have 4 of them. These 4 will be the corner of the printer. Oh, you can call it a pillow. Well, this will be the. Okay. This will be the inside printers, which one axis extrusion, and we have all the small labels here and somewhere for you to easy to get assembled. Okay. As you can see next, we have all the main body underneath here. The first come out will be the toolbox. I think we have all the tools and the parts inside it. So it's like a standard thing. Okay, well, we have more actually. We have a grease and some corner protector plastic. Okay, interestingly, we have one tape. It's just maybe for testing, print testing. Okay. Anyway, no small thing here. We will show you guys later. Well, next we have one test filament. This is 200 gram. Here you go. And the manual here. Okay, I'll give the manual to you. You're gonna read it later.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, we're gonna take out the, okay, this is the top frame. Okay, it's really heavy and nice design. If you look at the detail, it's shiny and glowing. Right? So it's totally different feeling from other printers. And if I flip it, as you can see, the XY axis is use the bearing and the shaft instead of the belt and the roller, the V roller actually. So it provides a stable movement when it's printing. The most important part or the feature of this printer will be the direct drive extrusion mechanism here. So we will do a close lookup on it later. So this is whole metal direct drive extrusion. We have a transfer board here. And okay, that's the overall look from the top. Okay, next. Well, the next one will be the hot bed. As you can see, now here we are. The hot bed size is not that much large. Okay, the size, Yana, what's the printer size?
The printer size 208 by 208 by 310.
Yes, exactly.
Millimeters.
Okay.
Oh, no, sorry. 208 by 260 by 310 millimeters. Yes.
Okay.
Printer
so
size.
The print size is kind of smaller than the CR10 printers. It's larger than the Ender 3 printers. Well, if we look at the details, on the side we have 4 rollers to provide a stable movement. And what's more, the hot bed is on the bottom. I can see it's kind of a standard design, but it looks better. So we have the tempered glass. Well, nothing more about this one. Next, what's that? Okay, this will be the base of the printer. Wow. It's heavy and looks great. So what we can tell here, this is a 4.3-inch touch screen. Out of focus. Okay, now it's okay. And we have 2 coupling for the Z-axis. I think the motor is underneath here. So this is the upgraded connection, and all the cables come out from here. So this block is the power switch. So the power cable will connect here, and here gonna be the on-off switch. If we look at the bottom, nothing particularly, just the black sheet metal, and with all the filters or cooling system. And we have 4 rubbers at the leg. Okay, I think that's all the parts of the printer. Okay, so we clean the space and we will start the assembly. Now let's view some comments first.
Yes, let's see some comments.
Okay, we will frequently check our internet. Hopefully this time everything will be fine. Unlike previous live stream, we faced many internet cutoff or similar situations. Okay.
Oh, the question is Core XY.
This is not a Core XY printer. This is a standard, coordination printer, like others.
Does it have a lid top?
If you are saying the top cover, what I can tell you is it is open top. So the top is exposed to the air. It is easy for us to do the operation and the observation. So it is not a fully closed 3D printer in another way.
Very exciting for a new model. Will you be built it today? Yeah.
As you can see here, we will do assembling right now. Where is everyone?
A toaster. Easy to build. Is easy to build this
Okay,
printer?
let's say yes, but it needs some assembling skills and patience.
Yes, thank you. The print size 218 by 216 by 310 millimeters.
Yes.
Right. Pre-built.
Toast oven? No, it is not.
Can you print ABS filament? Yes,
right.
Of course. They can print ABS, PLA, TPU.
And TPU. This is a direct drive 3D printer, so it can print flexible materials.
Yes. So looks like the pre-built comments the other streamers, but
we don't know any other streamers or printer they are talking about. But anyway, this is gonna be the first live stream for us to do the Sermoon D1. I still don't know why it's called Sermoon D1.
Direct drive.
Yes, it is direct drive.
Yes,
of course.
Right. What's the test model to print?
To be honest with you, I have no idea. I have to insert the SD card and see what's inside. This is a literally open box. This printer just arrived this morning, and this is the first time we open it. I don't know what's inside in the SD card yet.
Big size to print thing.
Yeah, the print size, I would say it's not that large, but it's a standard print size.
This auto leveling?
It is as I opened, I don't see any BL touch or auto leveling equipment there. So it is not auto leveling so far.
Yeah, this will already.
That question is, hey, the boss.
Yeah.
I'm not. That's so funny. No, the boss is somewhere in the office, not here.
Wow, looks awesome.
Okay. 4 points to get a flat.
Flat plan 1-3 is easier.
Wow. That's an interesting thinking. 4 points. Of course, we all know 3-point design a surface, but 4-point can make it easier for people to do a detailed adjustment. But for 3 points, you will have a rough adjustment in lot of times.
It looks quite easy to assemble.
Yes, let's do the assembling now and see if it's easy or not.
Nice size. Price, wow, yes, its price is very nice and beautiful. $619 US. We include.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
We include shipping and tax. Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna assemble it.
And I will put our link.
Are we gonna read the manual? Yes, we're gonna read the manual. So I have no clue. Wow, are you confident? Okay, he said yes. Okay. Firstly, install profile. Now, it's telling us to install all the pillows on the corner. Okay, shall we do it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are same. So it doesn't matter which one goes where.
It looks very high quality, yes.
有上下尺寸吗？
没有看到这个，
OK， 那你确定哈？
是吧？我确定。你看它没错。
Okay, so this is the front. I will do. Do they have a label on it? I think they are all same.
一样，有个小小的区别。
但这里会不一样啊。看仔细了哈，
我感觉是一样的。
不一样的卡位的不一样的。
是不是？
你看，背后对吧？你看这个是这样子。
When will it come to America? We are pre-order now. You can enter in this link.
哦，你看两个是在这里的，就是这个多的，有多。
And the pre-order is limited. Hurry up.
Okay.
$619 US pre-order price. Catch it.
So we need the M6 35 screw.
Yeah, I read this manual. The print size is 218 by 216 by 310 millimeters. The machine size 500 by 500 by 531 millimeters. And the machine weight 20.5 kilogram.
门在前面吗？有些你。
How long will it ship to America? Now it's pre-order and to your home maybe 1 month. 1 month, yeah.
One question. What is the differences between this and the CR6 with the enclosure? I think it's not CR6, it's Ender 6. And the difference is, I asked Eli before, it's a direct drive and...
Yes, if you are saying Ender 6, we understand, but we don't have a CR... Okay, are you saying the CR6 SE or...
I think...
Ender 5.
Ender 6. Yeah.
Okay, Ender 6 is a coax-wise printer, and it is a bundle drive, not a direct drive. So this printer is a direct drive.
Okay, thank you.
And they are look different.
It looks like toast oven.
Let's 这是朝后的吧？
哦，对着这个，它有个有
翻一下，翻一下。
不好意思。
Let's see some details about Sermoon D1. Now it's pre-order. The price $619 US, and ship 10 to 20 delivery days.
So it means you can get D1 in 10 to 20 days. Right.
New arrive, new innovation. Sermoon D1. And this printer, you can do more DIY in this printer.
Alright.
还得找那个盖的。
那个之后再做，那个是次要的。Okay, next, we finish all the pillows on the four corners, and then we will assemble the 2040 extrusion. Okay. Now we're gonna bring the hot bath. So we will put it aside first. Okay, if you can tell, this is how it looks. We are going to do now. Assemble the hot bath. Okay. 这点嘛，然后套进去就好了。All right, next. Yes, we will put everything to the printer. Let's tell the front, and we have a front. This is front. Okay. 什么时候装？先装那个什么T型4杆什么时候装？
应该是刚刚就装。
Okay. Yeah. Now we're gonna put the lid screw.我怎么还在装T型4杆？能拧吗？
我觉得把它给抬了，现在要找死。
那先把它固定住。
OK， 先固定2个起来，再套这个。
对啊，先固定成啥 ？Alright, so I'm gonna use a M14 screw.
Beautiful. Is this a Core XY printer? No, it's
gonna be easier actually. So meanwhile, do we have any questions? I can see.
question. Meanwhile, power supply doesn't say in website.
Yes, I don't have information on the manual either. So I have to open it up, see what's the power supply it is using.
What is the difference between this model and the 6 Core XY?
Well, if we look at the outside, the difference is this printer is using a better extrusion and the structure overall. I mean, from the top to the bottom, it's used like a rounded corner. So it is one feature of this printer. If you care about the outlook, in terms of the mechanism, I would say this one is using a shaft and bearing movement or motion drive, while the Ender 6 is using a coax Y. Other than this, the print size is slightly different. So this one, the Sermoon D1 is a direct drive. If you care about printing flexible materials like TPU, this printer gonna be the first choice. Otherwise, you can use the Ender 6. So this two printer actually has a significant difference.
What is heated by the maximum temperature?
Okay, the temperature is here. It's 100. So
degree.
the temperature about the hot bath or the nozzle, they are kind of standard, not particular outstanding features on them.
Does it have an inclusion?
Yes, it has all the acrylic cover on the sides except the top. The top is open to the air. 下面那个几个吧。
你要说一遍。
Why is it limited?
你来说。
What is mean? 是为什么限量吗？还
Why
是
is
什么意思
limited? Are you mean the quantity is limited?
Quantity.
Okay.
If the quantity limited, because now is a pre-order.
Yes.
We have limited ready stock.
Yes. We don't have many printers in stock so far. This is a new printer. We are just the manufacturer is in the process of making it, so we don't have well prepared quantities in our warehouse.
Leveling all the time, or it holds up okay.
Yeah, I will check it for you. I think it's like other printers. Once you do the leveling, one time you can keep it running for 1 week of printing, or some period, depend on how long you are using printer. So it's using the standard not leveling on the bottom, so it's no difference from other printers.
All metal hot end.
Exactly. The hot end, okay, the hot end, if you see the nozzle, I think it's standard copper, but the extrusion mechanism is all metal. It's CNC machined. Mutation. 进去了。
要不要这样？
平了吗？你看一下平不平？你那里还？Okay, nice.
How will you address them runaway
Runaway
and uncommanded nozzle heating in this printer?
Let me try to understand the question. How will you address thermal runaway and uncommanded nozzle heating in this printer? Well, I think it's more about the firmware issues instead of the printer itself. It's the mainboard. Actually, it's a mainboard thing. This printer is using a mainboard version 4.3.1. I think this is a new mainboard also. Never heard about it. Next, okay. After we assemble the hot bath and the Z-axis, we will put the top frame carefully. Okay. You got it.
Wow.
正面. This is the front. So basically, the back is facing you guys. Not that hard. Right? Okay. Now we're gonna match some holes.
这个要卡卡位。
Okay. Nice. Just move the cable aside. Okay, this basically is the frame structure of this printer. 你把那个评论去一下，挡住打印机了。Okay, so we will put some screws on the top frame and show you guys the overall look. 有些这个歪，没事。
How does this compare the 5 Plus and the 5 Plus?
Okay, interesting comparison. And the 5 Plus, I would say, and the 5 Plus has a larger print size. I think 5 Plus 350是吧？370。
370.
Yeah, it's like almost 370 print size. Well, this printer has a smaller print size, and the Ender 5 has a BL Touch, but Ender 5 Plus is a traditional 3D printer as others. It doesn't have many new features like a direct drive or the motion drive. So if you are looking for something new, this printer will be the one you are looking for. And the 5 Plus has been there for a long time, I think a couple of years already. It was a great printer during the old time, but the things is changing. So we have new printers coming out, and of course it's much better than the old one. The price are similar, I believe.
How big is the build plan?
Okay, we will show you guys the front. Okay, this is gonna be the front view of the printer. Next, what else we have? Okay, we're gonna connect all the wires. So the main cable is going to the transfer board.
Is this coax-Y? No, it isn't coax-Y. Will the price be higher after pre-release, or will you have a wonderful sale? I think a pre-order price is a nice price now, and we limited sell this printer.
Okay, all the wire connection is easy. What else do we forget anything? Before we put all the covers on the side, we will just quickly turn on the printer, check if we forget any installation or not.先正常开机试一下，确保就是运行没有问题。那 power switch, okay. It's so quiet. Okay. One new feature of this printer is super quiet.
The question? Does the access?
The fan on the front is zero noise. I hear nothing. Are we okay? 都连了是吧 Okay, we're gonna simply move all the axis, make sure it's all the wire is connected. Okay. 外轴没有连了。外只能往下现在是吗？
看怎么上下。
这一轴，这轴Okay, so all the axes are moving okay. Now we will turn off the printer and put all the covers. Alright. 装这个，换一下镜头，撕掉了。这个打开以后就是 Okay, now firstly we're gonna peel off the protector. Okay, it's transparent color. Okay, it looks nice.
This quality like our LD002R. This
Yeah, it's similar actually. This
Similar,
printer, if you compare, you can compare this one to the 200B actually.
200B. Yes.
Yeah.
Also our new product.
So nice design of this acrylic. They put a chamfer on the side, so it's not cutting our finger. So it's very nice consideration. So this one, okay, this one is the back. We're gonna get the screws. Okay, and four.
看得清楚。
应该是啊，这么多。不用全拧，拧几个。
The question is coming metal extruder.
Yes. Okay. So what we can do here, we're gonna bring the camera to show you guys the detail of this extruder. This is one new renovation. 高不了，太低了。可以了，我穿过你，垫点东西。
Wow, looks nice.
So as you can see, this is gonna be okay. Let's go to the front first. This is the front view of this mechanism. So this motor is standard extrusion motor, and this holder is made of aluminum. And when we press it, we can put our filament in. So this is gonna be the, okay, here we are. We have one cooling fan on the side first. We have one small cooling fan on the front, but don't look down this fan. This is a super quiet, silent fan, although it's small. So the one feature of this printer is the soft and the bearing movement. So which provide a stable movement when the printer is working. So it's never vibrate or shake like the wig roller. So on the side of this extrusion mechanism, as you can see, this is one cooling fan we talked about, and here on the back we have one blowing fan. This is a large blowing fan, and it has a long blowing channel until it goes to the nozzle. Now we will move down and see the hot end. It's kind of a weird angle, but so this is the bottom of the hot end. So weird. Okay, anyway. Now we just quickly go over all the angles of this printer. So this is the back side. Okay, now let's turn on the printer and see how it behaves. Okay, it's on actually. The front fan is running, but it's so quiet. Yes, it's super silent. Now you can see our screen is on. I'm not lying to you.
Wow,
可以把那个骨盆风扇打开。
it's really
Now we're gonna turn
silent
on the
motherboard.
blowing fan. The blowing fan is on the back. It's a standard blowing fan, so the noise is on. But it's quieter than others. So this side is the motor. Okay. Not bad. Now we will assemble all the cover and the front door, of course. 换一下屏幕。哦，之前就说过，哪个版相当于讲过了，这个还没固定吗？
Weight is 20.5 kilogram.
Yeah, it's quite heavy actually.
Henry said, must be a hot product. Thank you. Is it bigger than the Certain S?
Actually, it's not. Certain S has 300 print size. This one is less than 300.
I have a silly question.
Yes. Go ahead and ask.
Why it has four enclosures?
It looks nice.
Okay.
It's also it's a protection.
Protection?
Yeah, protection from children, naughty kids.
Okay.
And this type of printers, by ending all the closures of the frame, of course, it increased the cost, and that's why the price is higher than the DIY printers.
Okay.
But this will be a trend. In the future, more and more printer will be like this one, because you can place this printer at your office.
Okay.
looks nice, and also you can put this printer at your home especially when you have kids.
Okay.
More and more
So-
popular.
Yes.
Yeah, kids can see the printing process.
Yeah.
Outside, right?
Yes.
And cannot touch it.
Right. Exactly. More importantly, you can put this printer at school, for education purpose.
Okay, great.
Yeah, it's pretty and safety. Question is coming. Eli, all that firm and the Z-axis is open at the top, no stability.
At that frame and the Z-axis is open at the top. No. I don't know if why you're talking about stability. Well, the printer itself is super stable. That's all I can say. But the only short side about this one is open the top. We don't have any cover on top. Maybe this is one thing I mean, it's hard to print high temperature material. But other than the open top, all the movement, all the mechanism is super stable.
Mm-hmm. Are there lights inside? No.
I would have lights inside like 200B, but unfortunately we don't have lights.
Okay.
No,
Can it modify light and
Yeah.
sorry, put LED lights?
I think so. I think it can be modified to add a light.
Yes, you can do more DIY in this printer.
Okay.
So there's no top cover.
There is no
Wait.
top cover. I mean, if you want to, I mean, you can we can DIY one, but unfortunately we don't have one. Okay, we have a filament guide actually. This one, when the filament come from the run-up sensor, this one will just guide the filament, make sure it's not wrong to anywhere else, and keep it on the track. Since this is a direct drive, we don't have any long tube outside. So this one is significantly important actually. This is how it looks. Two roller actually.
Hot and top temperature. Hot bed temperature 100.
Hot end. They are
Hot
asking
end.
hot end.
Hot and
No.
nozzle temperature 215 degree.
Okay, now we're gonna install the front door. Actually, this is one feature.
Okay. Yeah.
上门了。
Okay, I ordered it.
I ordered it.
Yeah, we have how to say that? Great gift for everyone who ordered in our live stream.
Yes. Today, if you in our live stream time order this printer, we will give you a surprise. Yes.
Yes. What's the gift?
The gift is filament. Yeah.
It's
Viral filament. Viral filament or extra it's up to you, right?
Yeah.
So when you order it, send the order number to Yana or to Creality.
So this is the one side of front door. As you can see, it's well designed. It is I don't know the term about this. This one. I call it roller. Okay. We have a solid clip and make sure it's not losing when we are using it. And we have a small handle. That means this is a. Okay, just move back to me. So this door gonna go on this side.
I will put our official store link, this Sermoon D1, in our comments.
Well,
If you order it in our live stream time, we will send a filament filament giveaway for you. Is it an all metal hot end?
it is.
Yes, all metal extruder. The press asks, does this take a standard or proprietary nozzles?
Let me check. I think this nozzle size is kind of standard. You can use any nozzles on this printer. Let me check the spare nozzle, so we will know this is a standard nozzle. After I assemble this door.
Great looking hang for the door.
Exactly. Okay, can you relook it? Hands. Okay, that's the term of this item. It's called hinges. Hands. Okay, sorry.
Hinges.
I learned a new word.
It has a nice print size for an enclosed printer at this price.
Yes, people may surprised why the print size is quite small. When we talk about the enclosed printer, the print size and is always smaller than it should be, since we end up more features on the outside. So it's kind of we have to limit the print size. Otherwise, the whole print size will be huge.
Looks well. What size is the build iron? The build price is A printer size is 280 by 260 by 310 millimeter.
Before someone asked the nozzle, so I got a spare nozzle. As you can see, this is a spare part. So by looking at it, it's a standard nozzle. I think it's number 6 thread. But no, number 6. It's a standard nozzle.
Sorry. I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Some guys they order it during our live stream.
Wow, that's nice. Thanks for the support.
Yeah, so send the order number to Yana or Creality team. Okay, so we will send you one filaments or accessories.
Yes. Only in our live stream time. I have an interesting question.
Okay, yours is interesting. Okay,
Yeah. Eli,
yes.
give me 3 reasons to buy this printer.
3 reasons.
A reason, 3 reasons. Sorry.
Okay, let me finish this story and I will tell you some why we need this printer.
Yeah.
Okay, basically, if you are alone, you have to, spend more time on assembling. But hopefully, your family can help you to do it. I think it is a great family activity by assemble a 3D printer. Okay, now all the covers is on, and if we look at it, you ask 3 reasons why we need this printer. 1, looks beautiful. It's one reason.
Yeah.
Okay, for people who care
It's
about
true.
the outlook, they are get bored of those ugly DIY printer, especially under 3. So this printer gonna be the one you are looking for, or your family looking for, or your company looking for, or your school looking for. Okay, so here it is. Nicely open the door. Welcome. Join our join our 3D printer. Okay, just welcome inside. So this printer, Sermoon D1, is one reason to buy it. Is the nice design and great outlook. Second one, direct drive. Direct drive will be the most important feature, and it was hard to make actually. We faced many challenges when we changed bonding to direct drive because it requires a lot of technologies and innovations. So this full metal, full metal extrusion. If you look at the website, there will be a detailed structure about this part, and it is a new innovation. So hopefully it can provide a stable and reliable print experience for us. We're gonna run a test mode and see how it behaves. Next one will be the silent mainboard, silent fan, and the good print feeling experience.
卡在这个形成中，
这样子吗？
它放进去卡。
Okay.
可能
So now we're gonna install the spoon holder.
就把热床抬起来。
连电吗？开啊。Okay, I'll do it later because it's not an important part. First, okay, the menu. We finish everything. Here.
这个有看。
Okay. Okay. Okay, actually we should install this one first before I put the cover, but anyway, it's not a big deal. I'll leave it aside. Now, it's time to run this printer. Firstly, I will remove all the unwanted plastic. And next, well consideration, I will put some tape on the surface to, for any accident. I want to protect the glass very well and use it for maybe 20 years.
Yeah.
Yes. As you can see, the machine is on, but can you hear any noise? Even I'm so close, but all I can hear is like a small fly is running. No, that noise is
It's really very silent.
it's
Yeah,
so
it's quiet.
silent.
So
Oh no. Okay, this is ruined. Anyway, it's still a demo.
and this screen is color screen.
Yes, it's touch
Wow,
screen, it's
I like
screen.
it.
Why is this happening? Okay, that's fine. Okay. Okay, put it one in the center. I think I'm done with it. Now, I think I can do a homing. Okay. The Z motor is moving loud. I don't know why. But rather than this, everything is normal. I will double check why the Z axis. I think there are some friction when I assemble it. Maybe somewhere it's too tight.
Let's see some comment. Magnetic removable printer surface, or is it a glass?
It is a glass, not a removable surface.
It is glass. What printer speed can this printer accomplish?
感觉是电机的问题，或者是组装词。
What print speed can this printer accomplish?
Well, we haven't tested. I think it's a standard. Okay, 0. Now I'm gonna do a back leveling. So I will disable the motor. 那切下镜头。Okay, so I'm at the Z0 position. That means I have to lower my hot bed. I may need a paper because the glass is reflecting light and I cannot tell where. Small piece of paper.
这也太小气了。
Okay, looks like the leveling nut is squeezed all the way, but still the nozzle is touching the hot bed. I have to somehow lower the Z limit switch. Where is the Z limit switch? 降低一点， 它已经出到这个上面了。Okay, but it's fixed. It looks like.
它那个位置是固定。
Okay, that means what else I can do? I have to use the leveling option to do a compensation. I will go just down first. The motor is noisy. Okay. But XY is okay. I think I have some Z motor related issue. Let me go to
那你调一下那个螺纹上，
调这个。
调这个。
已经拧紧了，只能调这个。Okay, it's touching the hot bed already. What I can do is I have to locate my leveling the lead screw. See what I can do here. 3, 4.
调不了这个问题。
Yes. So the manual leveling is kind of take some time and patience.
没事问题，一旦出啥的话，它都会全部问题。
I will do a rough leveling. Just we don't want to waste too many time on it. But if you have this printer, I mean, for any printer, you need to do careful and patient leveling. But for me, I will just roughly get it done. Okay, because I can adjust the leveling during its printing time. So I will see. Here is the screen information. I think nothing special about it. I will just go a quick look. We have a print temperature setting, and now I'm going to do a preheating. Okay, setting. We have a print information here. Is it telling me it's Sermoon D1 and version 1.1.10, and the print size is 280 by 260 by 310. Okay. Now I'll get a SD card, see what is inside it. So we have one standard SD card, 8 GB, and one USB reader. Okay, we have some test models. What's this one? Okay, this is the hours it takes. Let's go the 9 hour. Oh, no filaments. Insert some filaments. That means the runout sensor is working.
Can we install a BL Touch to it?
Well, I don't get any information yet. So from what I can tell, on the transfer board, there is a place for additional equipment or items goes in. And on the mechanic extruder, well, I have two pre-tapped holes on the side. I don't know what's that for. Maybe in the future we can add something on it, but still I don't have official information. Okay, I'm gonna raise up the camera. Okay, just not listen to me. I will insert the filament. Let's see how easy it goes. Okay, it's straightforward, goes down. And I can see we have some material came out. Okay, now, okay, yes. And now I start to print. Firstly, gonna hit up. I did a terrible bad leveling. See what I can make up now later.
Paul asked, did you oil the road on the 3D printer?
Oh well, I'm assuming it is oiled when it comes from the manufacturer. But they do provide extra oil box or grease for the maintenance. Yes, you are saying why it's noisy. I think this is one reason it's not oiled. But anyways, this is just a live stream demo. I will do it later. It has some oils on it already. Okay, it's moving. Yeah. Okay, I think I have to do a leveling again during its printing. See, hopefully there is yes, the compensation.
点问题，
Okay.
可以要调一下，这样是
Just to slow down the speed first. I know. 已经不塑料了。
电机。
I don't know what is printing, since it's a test file. But looks like I don't have enough material. Okay, now it's look normal. First test is tough actually.
感觉很有基础，
有几处？
它就是这个温度不够，或者是正常的
200度。
正常的其实是有问题。
Does it have a baby step?
Yes, it has a decomposition when you do the printing. Okay, the problem here right now is the material is not sticking on the hot bed. Maybe I'll change a different color. It's still printing.
.9有问题，基础战术的。
我现在好不对。
你推了它真的好，就如果你推了好了，就找它接了，就没有按正常的一个基础。可能不见方面的。
It's printing something. I'm not confident it's gonna print well on this one.
Print once, pro holder. The first print isn't easy for all.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you for understanding. But I think I'm gonna change the filaments.
One of my N3 prints in the middle of the 48-hour print. So why is it a limited pre-order? Because the first line to our oversized warehouse is limited to American and Australia. Then we will do more line to Europe and the other country. This printer versus
Okay. It prints something, but it's not extrude enough material, or it's not sticking on hot bed. Okay, let me just try one model. Okay.
这种你不是
铲给我，
你打包再泡出来的，
打过。
你的铲就不在这里。 又是刚才
Okay. Anyway, so while it's printing, do you have any questions?
What's the use of glass if the top is open?
What is the use of the glass? Okay. Okay. I don't know which one you are saying. The top is open to the air. And the glass. Are you saying the hot bath glass or what? Okay, you are saying it is useless of the glass if it's open. Well, the opening top is just for the convenience of observation and do all the leveling and setting. I think yes. There should be one update. Oh, it will be better if the top is closed. But let's see what we can do in the future. The first line is okay.
So does mean I can't pre-order as I'm in UK. Sorry, I'm not sure. It may be a little delay in the Europe in UK or not. Please ask our online customer service in official store. Thank you.
技术，因为现在是还算正常的，这耗材他们就一个是调成那个分类，
你这里可以补偿。
但那技术是正常的线技术啊，都是这样的。
可以。
To new isn't used with hours of printing. Use glass have much adherence. What
Okay,
is
so it depends. Okay, so to be honest with you, the hot bed is one important part when we print any materials because it impacts the thickness of the material. From all the testing data, we can get the tempered glass is one of the most stable hot beds we use for 3D printing, and it is flat. It is flatter than any other hot bed. Of course, there are many reasons impact the printing results. I would say it is not that advanced. Many people recommend the PEI board. It is also one good choice. But I would say hot band is just the tempered glass is one standard hot band right now. You can use different materials like plastic or just a simple glass. It doesn't matter. If you have issue on sticking the hot bed, you change your hot bed or do anything other things. It is not that advanced.
What is the use of side windows if the top is open?
I understand. Actually, if you talk about the usability, the side window is not necessary. And the top window is more important actually. So for the side window, it's more about make the printer safe to use and make the overall looking good. Why we don't have the top window is more because we have all the cables or wirings and operations on the top.
Right.
Does the nozzle move with the bed?
No, the hot bed is stable. It is fixed. The nozzle is moving with the extruder.
I think he means he thinks it's fully enclosed, but it is a fully enclosed machine, is it?
Yes, I will not call this one fully enclosed machine. This is just the almost fully enclosed machine. So the top, which is the most important section, it is open to the air. If you are printing high temperature material, this will be one limitation, I would say. But it is easy to upgrade it as long as we make some cover on the top. That will not be an issue. So as a standard printer, why people didn't why Creality didn't make the top cover? I think it's just for the cost saving and the convenience.
Are you giving this away? Today we don't have a giveaway event, but if you order this print in our live stream time, we will send a filament or accessory for you. Controls direct across the heated bed. Why get this printer instead of Ender 6?
Okay, people ask, Ender 6 is coax Y. If you care about the speed, print speed, Ender 6 is one good choice. But if you want to use direct drive as this one to print soft materials, this printer gonna be one good choice. Well, now it's printing stably. Let it do a printing, and I think this gonna be our whole process about this printer from open box assembling and test a print. Well, hopefully this live stream can give you a general idea about this printer. And in today's live stream, we don't have anything else to show you guys. Again, to emphasize, if you purchase this printer during our live stream time, and we have a special gift for you, an actual material filament. Honest comparison with other printers, people may care about the price. Okay, I mean, I wouldn't say which printer is better. This one, D1, and Ender 6, and Ender 5 Plus. They are all different. The price is similar, all within like 100 difference, but they have different functionalities and purpose. So it really depends on personal needs for which one you should buy.
Yes, and I put the link again. If you want to know more details about this printer, you can see it in our official store.
OK， 那换下屏幕，换下镜头。OK, so here is printing. Well, if you have any questions, please ask. And we kind of close to the end of today's live stream. And hopefully this live stream can give you a brief introduction about this printer, and you have a general idea what this printer is and what it can do and what it cannot do.
Yes, and sorry for more comment. Maybe something we didn't answer or read it.
Okay. As any other 3D printers, the mainboard or the printer does not have a Wi-Fi module, so it is same as other printers. Okay, so if we don't have anything else, I will call it end on today's live. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I will say goodbye to you, everyone, and have a good dream. And okay, I'll see you next time.
See you next time. Happy printing. Bye bye.
Yeah.